how to use Binance quick steps. So the first thing you'll need to do is head to binance.com and sign up for an account by clicking on the sign up button here. Then you will need to enter your email address or phone number to sign up, or you can use one of these options below. And once you set up your password and set up your account, you will need to download and install the Binance app. And then you want to sign in into the Binance app. This should usually prompt you to verify your identity for the first time. You can go through the process and it should ask you to upload either your ID card, passport, or driving license picture for the front and the back, and then a selfie of you. And this, once it's completed, it will unlock full features like trading and withdrawals. Next, when you're verified, you will need to deposit crypto into your account if you want to start using Binance. Now to do that, you want to click on the add funds button and then simply select the currency that you want to use on the top left from the drop down. Now you want to basically press the view more button here and you can click on buy with USD. And then you want to specify the amount that you want to put in and select the crypto, for example, USDT right here. Choose your payment method. You might need to add a card or use one of these available payment methods. And once you do that, click on preview order and confirm the payment. Now this should credit the crypto to your account when the transaction is completed. You can view what you're holding by pressing the assets button at the top right. Click on the overview tab and you should see everything you're holding here, including the USDT you bought or whatever crypto. Now the basic use of Binance is for sending or receiving crypto, and also withdrawing money or crypto and trading. I'm going to show you how to send or receive crypto. So to send or receive crypto, you want to simply go to the assets here, overview, and select the crypto, for example, USDT. Now to send it, you want to press the send button and then withdraw crypto. And here you will be able to send it to other crypto addresses or wallets. You can simply type the address here and choose the network, or scan a QR code and this will detect it automatically. Specify the amount that you want to send or withdraw to another address, and then simply click on withdraw. Now to receive crypto, we're going to go back to the home page and click on add funds. Now click on on-chain deposit and select the crypto that you want to receive, for example, USDT. Select the network, and then it should give you an address which you can copy and send it to other people or use it on your other wallets to send crypto to the Binance account. And to withdraw money from your wallet, you can basically go back to homepage again, press the wallet button at the top, and this will switch to Binance wallet. Now, if you have money in your wallet, you can press the withdraw button. If you have balance in your wallet, you will be able to withdraw it to your bank account or the supported payment option. Now for trading and basic use, you want to switch back to exchange from the top here. And then you want to press on the trade button at the bottom. Now you want to select a pair that you want to trade. For example, the most common one in the spot tab is Bitcoin/USDT. And then you want to select the order type, set it to market or limit if you want a limited order, which usually involves setting your own price for buying and selling. Now you want to select the amount that you want to spend, for example, in Bitcoin against USDT, and then just press the buy Bitcoin button. Now, if you have any open orders, you should see them at the bottom here. And this means basically your buy or sell order has been placed. And the idea behind buying and selling is you buy when the crypto is low and you sell when it's high. So always keep in mind there is risk involved in these transactions. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.